Hello everyone, happy new year. So I hope you all have enjoyed the Christmas holidays, right? So students, I know you all are super duper excited. The reason is today is the very first video, very first session, right? From the new series that is Junior Doctor. So basically today we will be having the super exciting session because today the class is on the top 10 questions that the students will be having during the new NEET preparation. So for this particular class we have Vijit Krishna Aital, yes of course my brother, who also qualified NEET exam, right? And also he is admitted to Government Medical College Coorg, and also he is a state board, I can say state topper. So we will be having the session today with him. So I hope you all are literally waiting. So let's get started. So the very first question student have for Vijit Krishna Aital is when we should start. So this particular question had been asked by our student Komal. So when exactly for the NEET preparation, when exactly we should be starting?
Telling about myself, I started preparing for NEET or JEE right from 11th. But I would suggest you people, if you want to get your dream college like AIMS, Delhi, or MMC, you need to prepare right from 9th or 8th. You must make your foundation very strong so that you get a hold on the subject.
That's why we have foundation classes for class 9th and 10th standard. And yes, of course, lot of our students are preparing from 9th and 10th only. So that's so good to know. And the next question is how to manage between boards and NEET, because you're also state topper. So you would be the best person to talk about like how did you manage and how to manage between boards and NEET exam.
Yeah, there is nothing like to manage because the syllabus is the same both for NEET and the state. The only the NCRT textbook. So I used to read the whole textbook only. I used to read only the textbook. So
You meant NCRT,
yeah,
11th,
NCRT
12th.
textbook. Yeah. There is no much difference in the syllabus also. The questions when it comes directly from the lines on NCRT. So reading textbook helped me a lot in scoring well in state PU board also, also the competitive exam.
Especially NEET,
Yeah, NEET.
right? Yeah. So next question, many of students ask me as well. They keep asking me, ma'am, what is the book that you should be referring? Like, is NCRT is enough? That is the question we always get. So please tell some thing about like what is the book, what is the best book to refer during the NEET preparation?
Yeah, best book would be NCRT itself, because if you see nowadays, NTA is giving questions directly from the NCRT based on its line. As CBS is not conducting the NEET, NTA, the level of NEET examination has come low a bit. So the question levels are also easy, so they are giving the questions from NCRT. So I would suggest NCRT would be enough.
Yeah, we keep saying that NCRT is Bible for NEET preparation. That's true. So next question, which subject you should be giving more importance during the NEET preparation, also in the exam? And also please tell the mistakes that you did so that let them avoid this particular mistake in their NEET preparation.
Yeah, the most important subject is biology, first of all, because uh, even while many people get the same marks, like many people get 600, so while giving the rank, they see one who has got more marks in biology. So what happened with me was I thought biology is my strength, so I neglected it and focused on physics. So in while writing the paper, I made some silly mistakes, so I lost some marks in biology.
So we'll proceed to the next question. This particular question is being asked by Kishan. So the question is it possible to crack NEET exam without cracking NTSC and other Olympiads?
Yeah, it is possible to crack the exam if you are really focused after your what 10th. Uh, but it would give you exposure if you attempt NTSC or any Olympiads. You used to OMR sheets, filling the dots, and it gives you more exposure. So uh, you can crack NEET without attempting NTSC or the Olympiads. as I also did not crack NTSC.
But one of the Olympiad
Yeah.
you had written,
Yeah.
right?
My friends, he had written Olympiads, and now he has already got IIT.
Okay, so you meant it is better
Yeah.
if you are
Yeah.
able to, write any of the entrance exams before the NEET exam, because it is going to help you in, getting the exposure about like how to fill the OMR sheets.
Yeah.
And also definitely you'll be getting more knowledge. Like,
Yeah.
it's like while you're if you're preparing for NEET exam from your 9th and 10th standard, it is actually better to go for preparing the Olympiad as well, because while preparing for the Olympiad you'll be reading something extra.
Yeah. Yeah.
Right? Yes. So next question, how many hours you used to dedicate for the preparation of the NEET exam? This like lot of students even ask me, ma'am, what should be the timetable, especially what is the hours I should be dedicating for a particular subject. So please give your input.
Yeah, telling about the hours, the number of hours is not important. The number
Absolutely.
of hours you read with full of focus, full of dedication, it is important. How many hours you read with full your focus. If you read 6 hours and you don't remember anything what you read, then the all time is waste. Yeah, so you need to read even 1 hour reading is enough if you are really focused and dedicated in what you are reading.
Yes. So I would be suggesting here, it depends on the student. Some of the students, they will be taking a lot of time to
Yeah.
complete one chapter. So if he's my brother. So we actually used to see a lot of differences between us when it comes to completion of a chapter or subject. That in the basis of hours. I used to take a lot of time to study, whereas he used to take short duration of time. So hours, it depends on the student. So it won't be the good idea if we say particular number of hours and if you try dedicating, because whoever will take less time to complete the subject or chapter, they may take lot of time because of hearing the hours that we say. Okay, so it completely dependent on the students. So next question we have actually from Ashu. So the question is, how many hours you had dedicated for an academy, because you too prepared NEET from an academy classes. So how many hours you dedicated for an academy?
Not like ours. I used to see the YouTube sessions of an academy NEET, where I used to watch the videos of concepts which I don't have much hold. So not like ours, like based on the requirement, which topic I don't know, I used to watch it.
So many of the students, what they do is simply they'll be attending the classes from morning to night. Like they will be like aimless. So what I also suggest is, I know I'm a teacher of an academy, educator of an academy, but still students, when it comes to exam preparation, when you're almost nearing to the exam, I think you should be literally not thinking about a lot of hours I should be spending in the classes. No, you should be giving a lot of time for the self study, and whatever problem you have in a particular subject, or whatever concept you are finding difficult, those concepts you should be concentrating, like you should be coming to the classes to listen. Right, that's true, that's great. So the next question we have from Sujit, that can I crack the exam, NEET exam, without coaching?
Yeah, yeah, it is possible to crack NEET or JEE without coaching, because at the end of the day, it is the self study which comes. If you go to coaching and if you don't focus upon the subject, you think that, oh, I am going to coaching, so I need not to practice more. It is full of waste. So at the end of the day, it is your self study which matters. It is your self study which gives you a better rank.
That's true. So coaching meant it can be online or offline,
Yeah.
anything it can be. So if in case if you have paid lakhs, or if you would have paid just 1000, like it doesn't matter. Ultimately what matters is like, are you understanding the concept? Are you able to practice the questions? That is ultimately matters. So lot of questions we have. So let's end the last question which has been asked by Dakshata, that is timetable. Like, what was your timetable during the preparation of the NEET exam as well as the board exam?
Yeah.
Hmm.
I did not make any timetable. I used to keep targets, like for this week I have to complete the physics portion. Like another week I must complete plant physiology. So I used to keep weekly targets, not like timetable. In between, when I used to get bored of the subject, I used to change the subject. Like while solving physics question, if I feel bored, I used to read biology. My favorite topics of biology.
Great, that is great. And one last personal question I have. How did you balance? Like, if you compare this year and previous year, like this year there was lot of problem for the students. That is the cause of corona, cause of COVID. Many students they went into depression. Like I have seen the students like who were little depressed, my own students. So how did you manage? Like how did you manage your studies and everything in this particular time of COVID? Like how didn't you get into depression?
Lockdown was like a boon for all NEET aspirants.
Serious aspirants.
Yeah, serious NEET aspirants. One who knew the value of time. So I used to give a lot of mock tests, which was given by NTA Test Abhyas. I have attempted about 60 mock tests also. So that lockdown has helped me a lot. Due to lockdown itself, I guess students were able to score out in NEET.
That's true. Yeah. Two of the students they got out. That's true this year. So thank you so much for answering all of our questions. Like my question was last one, and then all of our students' question. I hope these mistakes, I mean these inputs or these suggestions are going to help you in the preparation of the NEET exam, right? So thank you so much for watching, students. So that's all for today, students. And yes, of course, if you haven't taken the subscription yet, you can take the subscription as soon as possible of different categories. It can be foundation in NTSC or it can be NEET or JE, right? So while taking the subscription, your code should be VR Live, right? So like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel.